Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell on eBay Philippines. Okay, so first thing is you have to ready all of the important documents to verify that you are a seller. So it includes your IDs, your passport, or any valid government IDs. Okay, so here you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top you just have to search for ebay.com. Okay, so this one, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, now that you're here, you just have to click on the sell option at the top. That's right, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and right here you have to list an item. To sell your items fast, millions of buyers are waiting, so just simply click on this option. And here you just have to start your listing. So you just have to tell them what are you selling. Okay, so just have to search for it. So for example, clothes, I'm just going to type out clothes. Now if you want to start with a match, then you just have to select the match that you want to start with, but you can also continue without a match. But for this one, I'm just going to continue with a match. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, now click on continue. That's right. Now for the condition, you have to disclose all of the flaws to prevent returns and earn better feedback. So if it is new with tags, new without tags, or new with imperfections, pre-owned or excellent, pre-owned good, pre-owned fair. So it's up to you. So for example, you are selling pre-owned, but it has an excellent condition. So you just have to click on it and click on continue. Okay, now you have to sign in to your account. So you can type out right here your email or username. Okay, and then you can continue with your Google, with your Facebook, or with your Apple. So for this one, I'm just going to continue with Google, and then select your Google account and click on continue. Okay, so here you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. That's right. And then here for the title, you can use words that people would search for when looking for your item. Okay, so right here you can type out all of the words. And then for the item specific, so select specific details about your item to help buyers find it quickly. Okay, so we have the details right here. And now for the photos and videos, you can add up to 24 photos and a 1 minute video. So buyers want to see all the details and angles, tips for taking pro photos. So you can click on this one. So you can have tips for taking pro photos. So here you just have to drag and drop your files. You can upload it from computer or upload it from mobile. And then if you want to upload videos, you can click on the section, and then the front view of your clothes, the back view, and then if you have a brand, the detail, the imperfections, the measurement, the size, and the material. Now for the description, you just have to write a detailed description of your item or save time and let the AI draft it for you. Okay, so you can use AI description right here. Okay, it is based on your title, so you can have your AI description when you click on this option. Okay, now for your pricing, so we are not going to select the auction for this one. So we have the option to buy it now. And for the price, we have $84.95. Mm-hmm. Then after that, for the delivery, you have to choose your delivery. So we have shipping or pick up. We have shipping only and pick up only. Okay, so you just have to choose your delivery method. Now for the package details, of course, the estimated based on items like yours. So you have to add here the package details. So we have how heavy your product is, how the size of your product, so something like that. Now for the shipping services, so the recommended one, we have the um, standard shipping from outside the US. So it's about 5 to 10 business days. And for the USPS Crown Advantage, we have 2 to 5 business days, up to $100 compensation, up to 700 pounds. So we're just going to select the recommended one. Okay, and then who pays? Of course, the buyer pays. Okay, so the buyer will pay. And now for the international shipping, so if it is an international shipping, you have to toggle the switch on for this one. And then for the destination should be worldwide. So I'm just going to disable this section. Okay, now you can also promote your listing, so you can help your listing stands out and sell. So you just have to choose the percentage of the total sale amount you're willing to spend on ads and pay only when your promoted items sell. So if you want to use this feature, so you just have to simply toggle the switch on right here, and then you just have to select an ad rate. So a higher ad rate can help you reach more buyers. So if you have 10%, 12%, and 14%. So I'm just going to disable this one. And then for your listing preferences, we have the payment methods of payments managed by eBay. So I'm just going to leave this one. Okay, and then for the charity, if you want to donate a portion to a charity, so you'll get a final value free discount for sold items. So you can click on this option right here. And then after adding all of those details, you can now list this product. You just have to simply click on the listed option. Okay, so you just have to make sure that everything is complete, including the prices, your photos, your videos, so that you'd be able to list this product. Okay, so after listing your product, you can now preview this one, and then you can also save this one for later. See, for example, we are going to preview our listing. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once you complete all of the details that you need for your listing, you'd be able to see here the preview. Okay, so since we did not add any videos or photos, so we don't have that right here, but this is how it looks like. So you have here your title, that's right. And then the price of the product, and then the button. So we have buy it now, add to cart, make offer, or add to watch list. Okay, and then for the shipping, so we have here the details of the shipping, the delivery, the returns, and then the payments. Okay, so after that one, you can also go here and read the full details of the product. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.